County Prestress and Precast offers a vibrant workplace that makes us a top choice for management, leadership, and executive professionals. Our company's culture is built on our values of team members, safety, quality, and customer service. And we put those values into practice every day as we work together to make an impact on communities across the country.
A common misconception about concrete manufacturing would be that it's primarily manual labor. Modern concrete manufacturing processes actually involve a lot of automation, and a lot of the jobs involve either operating or maintaining very high-tech equipment.
We encourage personal and career growth opportunities by offering team development training that encourages critical thinking and builds collaboration and leadership skills. We celebrate service milestones and show gratitude for our people through team member appreciation events and by offering competitive wages and valuable benefits that support our team members and their families. Our commitment to quality, safety, and customer service ensures that we maintain the highest standards in everything we do, because we strive to be a company people are proud to work for and do business with. Through the Sonnenthag American Foundation, County Prestress and Precast provides student scholarships for continuing education and technical skills training, and supports worthy organizations that empower and inspire people in communities where we have locations. We are proud to have many service members and veterans building careers with our company and promote a welcoming culture that celebrates our talented, dedicated team members.
If someone's willing to put themselves out there and raise their hand and they want to grow and they want to lead, we have the tools here at County and we have the interest to join them on that journey.
With nearly 80 years of concrete manufacturing experience, County Prestress and Precast is dedicated to maintaining the highest quality standards. Our vision for success, stability, and support drives our initiatives to build a workplace where every team member feels valued and motivated to achieve excellence.